will see the a plus b bracket cube, the expansion of a plus b bracket cube. First we'll see the explanation of it, and afterward we'll go for the practice set 5.2. A plus b bracket cube is nothing but, we have to find out the cube of the binomial. So here a plus b will be multiplied 3 times. A plus b. Here we can use the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, because multiplication of these two, that means it gives the a plus b bracket square. So using a plus b bracket square, I will take it a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here if I use it, I'll get a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of a plus b into a plus b. Now this bracket is left. So this complete bracket I will multiply by a plus b. Here it was plus. Now each term of this bracket I have to multiply by a, and afterward I will multiply by b. So complete bracket I will multiply by a. So a square plus 2ab plus b square into a. Same way, now I am going to multiply again this bracket with b. So here plus, again the same bracket, a square plus 2ab plus b square, I will multiply by b. Multiply each term of this bracket by a. So a and a square multiply by a, I'll get a cube, plus if I'll multiply this a multiply by a square, that means I'll get 2a square b. Here I'll get a b square. About this, now a square b. Here if I'll multiply, then I'll get 2a b square, and this multiplication, that would be b cube. These terms a square b and this one, these are the like terms, and here a b square and this would be the like terms. So I can add them. So we can add these like terms. So I'll get a cube plus 2 plus 1 3 a square b, plus if I'll add this, I'll get 3 a b square and then b cube. So what is the expansion formula of a plus b cube? A plus b cube bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Using this formula, we'll solve some examples. We'll find out the cube of the binomial. So this formula will help you to find out the cube of the binomials. So we'll see the examples. This is set 5.2, which is based on this expansion of a plus b bracket cube, that means the cube of the binomial. So first example, we'll solve it with the help of the binomial. Cube of the binomial. This is the expansion formula. We are going to use it to solve this example. So solution by using expansion formula, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I want to find out the binomials, cube of this binomial. So k plus 4 bracket cube. Compare these two, then a's value is nothing but k and b's value nothing but 4. Means a I have to replace with k and b I have to replace with 4. So this formula I am going to use it, expansion formula, instead of multiplication. Directly by using this expansion formula, I can get the cube of this binomial. So k cube, a I have to replace with k, plus 3 into a's value is nothing but k square, b's value it is 4, so it would be multiplication, plus 3 into a's value is again k, b's value is 4, but here it is the square of b, plus here b cube means 4's cube. First, next step, now we are going to make the squares or cubes of the terms. So k cube as it is, here I'll make the square, k square, and 4 3s are 12. So 12 k square, plus here 3 k and 4 square is 60. I'll write it as it is, plus 4's cube. 4's cube, 4's square is 16 and cube would be 64. Then k cube plus 12 k square. Again here I can multiply. It is 48k plus 64. So this is the expansion of this cube of the binomial. Second example, 7x plus 8y. Again by using expansion formula, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Students, reading of the formula, it is also important. If you know how to read the formula, it will help you to understand the formula very quickly. I'll write this below of this. Compare a's value is nothing but 7x, b's value is nothing but 8y. Replace the terms now. A cube 7x bracket cube plus 3a square 7x bracket square, b's value is 8y, 3 into a's value 7x, b's value is 8y plus 8y bracket cube. 7x cube, it is 343 x cube plus 7 square. 7 square is 49. So 3 into 49 x square into 8y plus we have to make the square of 8. So 3 into 7x into 8 square would be 64 into y square plus 8's cube would be 512 y cube. Students, if you learn the cubes from 1 to 10 numbers, so it will help you to solve such type of examples. So 343 x cube, multiplication of these 3 multiplied by 49 multiplied by 8, it would be 1176 x square y plus multiplication of these numbers would be 1344 x y square plus 512 y cube. Third example, 7 plus m bracket cube. Again binomial, I will use this formula. So 7 plus m bracket cube. A's value is 7, b's value is m. So here a cube means that I have to replace with 7 cube plus 3 into a's value is 7 square into b is m plus 3 into 7 into m square plus b cube. B cube is m's values, that means m cube. 7's cube once again 343 plus 7 square is 49 and here 3 into m, that means 3m into 49 plus 7 3s are 21 m square plus m cube as it is. Here we can get the answer 343. If you will multiply 49 by 3, I will get the answer 147 m plus 21 m square plus m cube. So this is the expansion of this 7 plus m bracket cube. Example, instead of binomial, they have given the number and we have to find out the cube of this. So we know the simple method that we have to multiply 52 3 times and then get the cube of this 52. But how can this expansion formula will help me to find out the cube of this 52? So these 52 I will convert into two terms. So 52 cube, 52 means nothing but 50 plus 2 and its cube I have to find out. Now I got the two terms. A's value I can consider as a 50, B's value I will consider as a 2. So by using expansion formula, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a plus b, now I will consider 50 plus 2. 50 plus 2 bracket cube. 50, here a is 50, b is 2. So a cube 50 cube plus 3 into 50 square into b. B's value is 2. Plus 3 into a's value is 50. B's value is 2. So 2 cube plus again, here 2 square, b cube, it is 2 cube. What is the cube of 50? To get the cube of 50, just you should know the cube of 5. Cube of 5 is 125. And then 0, I have to write just 3 times. So I'll get the 50's cube. Plus, here I have to make the square of this. 3 2s are 6 and 50 square is 2500. Plus, 5 3s are 15, 150. Square of these 2, it is 4. Plus 2's cube is 8. So answer 1,25,000 plus, if you will multiply this, 56 are 150 and these 2 zeros plus, here I'll get the answer, multiplication of these two would be 600 plus 8. Now to get the answer, just I have to add these all. After addition of this, I'll get the answer 1,40,608. So this is the cube of 50. Fifth example, 101 bracket cube. So solution, 101 bracket cube, I can write 100 plus 1 bracket cube. By using expansion formula, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here I'll get 100 plus 1 bracket cube. A is now 100 and b's value is 1. So here 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square plus 1 cube. I have replaced A with the 100 and B with 1. 100 cube. You can check this answer. Plus 100 square. 3 ones are 3. 100 square would be, the zeros will be double. In case of, if you want to make the cube of the 100, so just I have to take the 6 times 0. If you want to make the square of this 100 1 0, 4 zeros will be added. 2 zeros will be double. Here 300 plus 1's cube is 1. After adding it, we'll get the answer. So before addition, I have to multiply this. After addition, we'll get the answer. Ten lakh 30,301. Sixth example. Solution x plus 1 upon x bracket cube. So here we'll use the formula by using expansion formula. A plus b bracket cube a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So x plus 1 upon x. What is a's value? X. What is b's value? 1 upon x. Replace them. X cube. 3 into a is x. So x square. Now b's value. B's value is 1 upon x. Plus 3 into x. B square it is 1 upon x bracket square plus b's value is 1 upon x bracket cube. So here we'll make the cubes and the squares. So x cube. Here 3x square into 1 upon x. X is at the denominator, this x square as the at the numerator plus 3x square of this it is 1 upon x square. 1 square is 1, x square would be x square plus 1 upon x bracket cube is equal to x cube. Here you can cancel this x square with this x. You can divide x square with the x. So only 3x will be left at the numerator. Here this x will be cancelled and from here only 1 will be cancelled. So 3 1s are 3 and at the denominator only 1x will left. And plus 1 cube is 1 and up down x cube. So this is the solution of this sixth example. Example 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube by using expansion formula. See students, if you observe, for every example I am writing this formula and I am reading it. So writing and reading the formula, it will help you to memorize this formula. Now we'll see 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube. My a will be replaced with 2m, b's value is 1 upon 5 is equal to 2m bracket cube plus 3 into 2m bracket square and b's value is 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m b square is value is 1 upon 5 bracket square plus b cube is 1 upon 5 bracket cube. Here I'll make the cube of this. 2's cube would be a m cube plus 2 square. Now here I'll make the square of this term first. So 3 as it is, 2 square is 4 m square into 1 upon 5 plus here 3 2s are 6m, 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25 plus 1's cube is 1, 5's cube is 125. So here I will get 8m cube plus 4 3s are 12, m square will be at the numerator upon 5 plus 6m 1s are 6m upon 25 plus 1 upon 125. So this is the solution of our expansion of 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube. 8th example and last example, 5x upon y plus y upon 5x bracket cube. By using expansion formula, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Put the values. 5x upon y, this is a's value. Y upon 5x, it is a b's value. Bracket cube. So here I'll write 5x upon y bracket cube a's value. 3 into a's value is 5x upon y and its square b's value is y upon 5x plus 3 into a's value 5x plus y, 5x upon y plus b square y upon 5x bracket square plus b cube y upon 5x bracket cube. Now we'll make the squares and cubes of the numbers terms. So cube of 5x also and y also. 5's cube would be 125 x cube upon y cube plus. So here we will get 3. 5x square means 25 x square upon y square. Here y upon 5x into plus 3 into 5x upon y, and here square of this it would be y square upon 5 square would be 25 x square, and here y cube of this it would be 125 x cube. Here few terms will be cancelled. Y square, among this 1 y will be cancelled. Here y ones are, here 1 y will left. 5 ones are, 5 5's are 25. This x will be cancelled with this and 1 x will be left. So here 125 x cube upon y cube. Here 5 3's are 15. Among this x will left and here down y. Plus, now check here. So 5 ones are, 5 5's are. This x will be cancelled with this. So only 1 x will left. This y will be cancelled with this. Here 1 y will left. So here we will get 3y upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. So in this way students, we have completed practice set 5.2, which is based on the expansion formula a plus b bracket cube. So I hope you have understood the expansion formula and the use of this expansion formula to find out the cube of any number or any binomials. So if you have understood, please subscribe the channel to get the notification of my next videos. Thank you.